Hey YouTube, so today we're doing another LEGO video since the other ones are quite a hit. This one is the Lotus LEGO Speed Champions set. I bought this one at the Canadian International Auto Show in February, but I'm finally doing it now, so let's begin this. So I started this build in February, so I just did this a little bit and left it pretty much because I was going to do it as a whole year build, so now we're going to continue off of it right now. So you're supposed to take this and put these pieces into it, but I always like to do the wheels first. So I did put the wheels on already, which usually LEGO recommends doing it last, but so there we go. And then you just have to put this on here. It forms the axle. So the next step on this is putting these along the front here. So you put one here and then one on the next side. Like that. And I didn't record it, but you put one of these here on each side. I did this quite a while back. Next step, some more pieces. So we're going to put these on. So all these pieces here go into the front. So this you actually build as it is, and then you attach it on after. So this looks like it's going to be the bumper or part of the hood. So when you connected that, you'd put these on here and connect them going down the front. So it'll be going down like this. So you can see that. And then what you do is you connect that onto the front of it so you can see it slowly coming together. The next step is pretty simple. Take this, put it on here, and then repeat for the next side so it's the same. After that, we're going to put this blue piece right here, and we're going to be putting on the fender flares to the car. So it's going to start taking its shape now. So put one fender flare here, and then repeat for the opposite side. So there will be one fender flare on each side. That looks good in British Racing Green. Next, you take this piece here, put it on top of the fender flares. And then what you do is you take a little green piece and put it here and then repeat for the same part on the other side of the fender flare. Push it down because it's a small piece, so you gotta make sure it's really in there. Next, take the gray piece which kind of looks like an engine. Put it in, as I'd like to say, the engine compartment there. The next thing you'll need is 4 of these to continue it. So what you'll do is you'll put one on each side here, using up 2 of the 4, and then you'll finish off the fender flares here. So that's just a way to use extra pieces, I guess, so they could say there's more parts. So there you go, you fill that up. I like doing all this little stuff, I find it fun. So now you'll take one green brick and one slick brick and put them onto the front here. I always love these slick bricks, I think they're pretty cool. And then after that you take these cool little red ones and you put one here. You repeat for the other side, kind of reminds me of sirens, that's cool. The next thing you'll do, clip these 2 together and then put that on here on the car, like that. After that, put what I call one of the little vent pieces behind it to finish that step. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to build another part of it. It's hard to film these and click them sometimes, so you put this on here. And then follow that up by putting this piece here. Click it in, and then put one of the flat pieces on the top as you finish that step. Next, click this here, and then repeat for the other side. After that, we're going to install more. So this is really cool, these pieces here, so click them on here. This kind of reminds me of my days building Bionicles, how these kind of clip together and move. That's really cool. You can make a robot out of parts like this. So that's going to be, I believe, the bumper. So you push that onto the front here and connect it, make sure it's in. And it's adjustable, which is really cool. So that was part 1 of this video. Stay tuned for part 2. We're going to finish it up. We're going to make this into a little series. So thanks for watching part 1.